How to change your account region on battle.net. So if you want to change your account region on battle.net, then what you need to do is just search for battle.net on your browser and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you just need to simply go with support, which will be on the upper right. And you just need to simply go with the account option, which is here on the left side. Click on the account. Once you're under the account, now just wait for a few seconds and then scroll all the way down and go with get help, which says still need help. Scroll down, go with I would rather describe the issue, and again click on I would rather categorize the issue, and then go with account, and from account you just need to simply go change account details, and here you will have an option of change battle.net account country or region. Click on the option, and then you need to go with continue, which is here on the left side, and you need to log into your account. So enter your email address and your password and then log into your account. Now you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with your identity verification. You need to enter your previous phone numbers used on this battle.net account. And after the identity verification, you'll be able to change your region or your country with valid documents. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.